Family Black Fans checking in. I always say field welding isn't shop welding, and I say it is because when you're in the field, you have to think outside the box. You have to troubleshoot. You have different things you have to do. Different size rods, and you don't have an overseer, or things are not perfect like it is in the shop, and everything is lined out and laid back. You might have to do something different, or you might have to be outside of your comfort zone. But to me, field welding is where the money is because it allows you to be more flexible and allows you to be able to be more of an entrepreneur. Like my rig, I got my rig out here, and I'm over here doing these bumpers and levels. You see what I'm saying? So there's more than one way to network yourself. But if you don't start networking yourself, you ain't gonna never get nowhere. So that saying is field welding ain't shop welding just means, hey, a person who grinds is not the person who complains. You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of times when you're in a shop, you complain, it's not perfect. I got an 1/8 gap. It's over here. But when you're in the field, we just got to get it done, man, because we hogs. We're not domestic dogs. We ain't looking for nobody to give us a plate or sit us some water out. We got to get up every morning, put our hard hats on, and go out here and hustle ourselves. And that's what it's about being a hog. And that's how I get my hog on every day. Like